Good morning, students. Today we are going to start class 7th English grammar, chapter number 13. The chapter name is Talking About the Future. Students, you know that there are six ways to talk about the future, to say about the future. These six ways are present continuous tense, simple present tense, the will form, the going to form, present perfect continuous tense and future perfect continuous tense. But in this chapter we are going to read about only 4 ways. Understand? So we will start the chapter. We use the present continuous when we talk about something that we have arranged to do in the future. If something we have arranged, we have planned, we have thought, we have intended to do in the future, for that purpose we use present continuous tense. Look at the example. Mr. Sen is going to Delhi tomorrow. Mr. Sen has already planned. Mr. Sen is going to Delhi tomorrow. We are including here the word tomorrow, and by using present continuous tense we are talking about future action, something that we have arranged, something that have been arranged by Mr. Sen. And what is arranged? To go, he is going to Delhi tomorrow. Understand? Afterward, very often we use this tense as future with the verbs, like we include the verbs of going and coming. The verbs are go, come, arrive, visit, meet, stay, fly, travel. These are the verbs that are used in present continuous tense to talk about the future. Understand? Afterward, we use the simple present for official programs and timetables. For especially official programs and for the timetables we use simple present, not present continuous tense. Look at the example. The school opens on 1st September. Understand? It is a official program. For official program we will use what? Simple present tense. Understand? We can't use the simple present for personal plans and arrangements. We should use present continuous. Understand? For personal planning, for personal arrangement, we don't use what? Simple present tense. We use present continuous tense for personal planning arrangement. Understand? So look at the examples. Look at the example. I met him this evening. It is incorrect. For any personal arrangement planning we don't use simple present tense. We use present continuous tense. Look at the example. I am meeting him this evening. It is personal planning, personal arrangement. For that purpose we use present continuous tense. Understand? Afterward we are coming. We use will to talk about what we think or know will happen in the future. We use will when we talk about what we think and what will happen in the future. Understand? Suppose that Look at the example. We will know our result tomorrow. According to that, we know that what will happen in the future. What is going to happen here? We will know our result tomorrow. Understand? So whatever we know that what will happen in the future, for that purpose we use will. And afterward we also use will or know will happen in the future. If we know that what will happen in the future, suppose that I think she will get her salary, and afterward we also use we think. Whatever we think, for that purpose we use what? Will. We think, I think she will get her salary. Understand? Afterward we are coming, we often use will with I think, I expect, I am sure, perhaps. With these terms we use will. Understand? We use will when we decide to do something at the time of speaking. Suppose that you are talking to someone and on the time of speaking you will use will. Look at the examples. A say that, can you meet me at 5? So what will B reply? B will reply, I may be a bit late. I may be a bit late. Afterward, then what will A reply? A will say, all right, I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Understand? So during the time of speaking, here will is used. We can use according to it. We can use will when we decide to do something at the time of speaking. Understand? Suppose that I am asking to you, do you learn the lesson? And you are in front of me. So you will tell that if you have not learned the lesson, then you will say that, sorry sir, I will learn it today. Understand? So at the time of speaking, whatever we decide, for that purpose we will use will. We use going to not will when we have decided to do something before talking about it. Suppose that we have decided something to do before talking about it. Suppose that, look at the example. Have you decided what to do? Yes, I am going to pay the fee. Means that it has been decided already before speaking. Afterward, we also use the going to form. We use going to form when there is something in the present which tells us about the future. Suppose that according to present condition, what will happen in the future, for that purpose we will use what? Going to form. Suppose that I feel dizzy, I am going to be sick. Understand? The water is filled in the boat. The water has filled in the boat. The present condition is water has filled in the boat. So what will happen in the future? The boat is going to drown. The boat is going to be drowned. Understand? So we will use present continuous tense for personal arrangement, whatever we have planned. For official timetable, we use for official timetables and programs we use simple present. Whatever we have planned earlier, for that purpose whatever we have planned earlier, for that purpose we will use continuous tense. Understand? Whatever we have decided, going to form will be used, and we also use we use going to not will when we have decided to do something before talking about it. Yes. So whatever we have decided earlier, for that purpose we are going to use going to form, and afterward we also use going to form when something will happen according to present condition, according to the present condition what will happen in the future. For that purpose we will use going to form. So thanks for watching the video. I hope that you have understood all this clearly. Thank you.